Hello traders and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to be talking about the Quantum Queen MT5 expert advisor and the EA that calls itself the crown jewel of the quantum ecosystem and highest rated, and it calls itself the best selling gold robot in MQL5 history. And before we dive deep into today's EA, we have a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns which are all built in to this free expert advisor, and it's free for you. You can download it using the link in the description below, so be sure you check it out. It's very important. And let's get back to the expert advisor of today, which is the Quantum Queen, and the developer, who is Bogdan Lon Puskasu. Yeah, he claims he positions this expert advisor as the undisputed queen of XAUUSD with over 20 months of live trading results and some serious big claims. So let's walk through exactly what the page says and find out if they are actually worth buying, because this expert advisor sells for about $1,849.99, and we'll have to give the walkthrough. And also, I had the opportunity to run my own backtest, so be sure to watch until the end if you want to know how my own live backtest went about compared to their own claim. And talking about the Quantum Queen, it the page says it's built as the next generation trading engine with 12 advanced built-in strategies, each designed for different market conditions, and they work together like a synchronized machine. When one strategy slips, another wakes up, so it supposedly adapts intelligently no matter what's happening in gold XAUUSD. At its core, is described as an elite trend following grid system. It doesn't chase noise or trade randomly, and this is true. Instead, it waits for structured momentum, analyzes volatility spikes and directional bias and trend structure. Then it strikes only when the probability line up perfectly. The emphasis is heavily on quality over quantity. It doesn't flood the account with trades. It stays patient, avoids unnecessary entries, and focuses on high probability setups only. And the developer stresses that this isn't a high frequency system, and there can be entire days with zero trades and other days with more activity depending on market condition. And the whole pitch is discipline and capital preservation first. And it only executes in what it calls the perfect moment. It doesn't gamble, and according to what they say it doesn't gamble, and there's no guessing, just precise, calculated decisions. They also provide four different sets customized for specific brokers. We have the VT markets, we have the IC markets raw, and we have the Robo Forex, ECN, and we have Fusion Zero. Minimum deposit for this EA is $500, and the minimum deposit is actually $500, and it comes with a 1:500 leverage recommended, and they suggest $1,000 for starting, and it needs a hedging account, and it also needs two decimal gold pricing, and also a VPS is mandatory for the EA to work for 24 hours, 7 days a week. And they say it's plug and play, so attach it to the XAUUSD chart, choose your risk level and the right set, and you're good to go. No complicated settings. Yeah, for the features, they claim 24/5 market intelligence and just basically the copy which they advertise here. Looking at their pictures, we have the signal which they are promising about 1,850% in in profits, in growth since 2024, and also they have all of these numbers here where where we can see total net profit from a $10,000 account up to $5.7 million. Quite the number that they're calling there, but I had the opportunity to run my own backtest on XAUUSD, and from this was from April 21st, 2025, all the way to April 21st, 2026, with a $10,000 deposit. And looking at the equity curve, which is here, we can see that it starts relatively flat in the early months, and then it begins this nice steady climb with some acceleration periods, which was around here, especially during what looks like the strong trading moves in gold. As of recent, gold has been in an uptrend, and a very strong uptrend, and you can see that sharp spike, and I would say that's because of the trending nature of gold in the last couple of months. And you see a few visible drawdown spikes and some choppier sections, but overall it recovers and finishes strongly upward. The modeling quality of this backtest is 99%, and the the numbers are quite impressive and respectable. We have decent profit factor, selectable number of trades. Profit factor is about 4.93, which is quite impressive. And those explosive moments when it catches the volatility breakouts, we can say it can be attributed to the decent profit factor and the selective number of trades. Comparing that to the developer's claim, their showed backtest show absolutely massive numbers, billions in profit, like I showed you, 5.7 billion in profit from a $10,000 account over the span of four years. I think over the span of 5 years, actually, from 2020 to 2025, 5.7 billion in total net profit. And comparing that to our own backtest, which we just did for a year, we can see total net profit of $110,000, 110,000 plus, and gross profits 138,559.55 cents. And it's a little bit impressive, I would say, because the results on the backtest is quite impressive, as well as the results on the signals that were marketed by the developer. The live signals are more grounded, usually sitting in the 20 to 30% drawdown range with win rates around 76 to 85%. And my test sits somewhere in between. So good performance in trending conditions, but nothing like the fantasy billions that was marketed. And you can see we have days where we don't take any trades. We have also days where we take some greed entries. You can see multiple buy orders here in this bullish trending market. And you have the next couple of days without any trade, and you have another entry here. Then the next days without trades. It's quite selective. It's very, very selective. From the inputs I used, the things that actually matter are picking the correct broker specific set. And this is especially for the raw spread ones. And the auto lot risk level is also what keeping note of. You can also check out the keeping max spread and slippage filters, ensure that they are tight, and the panel and visual stuff is mostly cosmetic. If you want, you can edit everything from the inputs here while you are using this expert advisor. Honestly, the thing is, this EA really shines when gold is trending strongly, and it can enter on pullbacks and build positions. But in choppy or ranging markets, it can sit quiet or take some hit. It's very sensitive to spread, so you absolutely need a true raw spread ECN account, or performance drops noticeably. And the grid slash averaging element means it can add to positions. So one solid reversal against the trend can create a few painful losing trades that eat into months of gains, as it is with greed trading. And news events hit gold hard also, and even with all these filters, slippage and execution in live trading make drawdowns feel bigger than in tester. So in practice, you need real patience because there will be quiet periods. Like you can see, we have some days here with no trades and with choppy and ranging markets, and you can't expect this expert advisor to trade every single day. My verdict for this expert advisor is that the Quantum Queen is one of the cleaner looking gold EAs out there, and if you set it up correctly on the right broker with enough capital and a VPS, but it could do something for you. But like any greed influenced system on a volatile pair like gold, it carries risk that the marketing downplays. And you know how it is with greed trading robots, it's quite risky. You need to always be very careful, very cautious when trading with them. Ensure that you set up the inputs to avoid having some losing trades, wiping out months of your profits. And this EA is actually for patient, disciplined traders who understand gold's volatility and personality and can handle occasional larger floating drawdowns and aren't looking for daily action or get rich quick results. You can spend days, just like I showed you, can spend days without any trading activity. And it's probably not for beginners on standard spread accounts and prop firm traders worried about greed rules or anyone who gets stressed watching equity swings. So if you found this review helpful, hit that like button and subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tests. Drop a comment below which EA should I review next, and don't forget to grab that free robot from the link in the description. Thanks for watching, tread smart, and I'll catch you in the next video.